By now, we should understand the roots of religion, which are called the deen. And we said Islam is like a tree with roots and branches. The branches of Islam are called the Furu deen. There are 10 branches. 1. Salah. It means to pray the 5 prayers every day. 2. Sawm. It means to fast in the holy month of Ramadan. 3. Hajj. It means to go to the holy city of Mecca and perform your Islamic duties at least once in your lifetime, if you are capable. 4. Zakah. It means to give charity on certain items to the needy. 5. Khums. It means to give away 20% of your unused savings at the end of the year. 6. Jihad. It means to struggle and fight in the path of Allah. One of the best ways to practice struggling in the path of Allah today is to study hard. 7. Amr bil ma'ruf. It means to guide others to do good. 8. Nahi anil munkar. It means to stop others from doing bad. 9. Tawalli. It means to love and obey the Prophet and his Ahl al-Bayt. 10. Tabarri. It means to stay away from the enemies of the Prophet and the Ahl al-Bayt. Without looking after the roots of a tree, the branches will not be healthy and the tree will die. Just like Islam, if you don't understand the roots of religion, the branches will not be healthy. For example, prayer is a branch from the tree of Islam. Your prayer will not be healthy if you don't know who you are praying to. You will be very careless in your prayer, always rushing. That's because we don't understand the deen properly. Once you have strong roots, the branches will also be strong. The Salah, the Sawm, all will be beautiful and healthy, and this will produce healthy fruit on our tree.